Hello everyone, welcome to UFT Live Project and it's day one. So we have talked about um, what is this live project all about and what we are going to do in this live project. We have talked about how this live project works in a real life and uh, how it works here, is where we are going to get one application and write a few test cases, then automate it, design some framework. So before that, uh, so let me open this to-do list. I just wrote few points here. What are the plans we have for this live project? Okay, and so divide in teams, test plan, all these things will start from the day 2 onwards. But before that, as I promised in the last session, we have to uh, go through the application. Okay, it is interact.com. So this will be our application under test, and we will be writing test cases, test plan, and scripts for this application. So this is the application team. Okay, and I have logged in as a admin. So before that, let me before going to the functional things, let me create one more Google Doc here, and okay, so I would say high level requirement. Okay, so this will really help when I will share this Google folder with you all who are interested to join this live project. So this will really help to write your test cases. Okay, so here I'm going to write few points what this application does and what the features it supports. Okay, so interrupt. Okay, so there is one super admin. Okay, for this interrupt, but this will be out of scope team. All right, but I would mention here what this super admin does, but we are not going to do any kind of testing on this module. Okay, so super admin can add, delete admins. Okay, admin is nothing but institutes. Okay, so whatever the training institutes will be there will be one admin for each institute. So this super admin can delete and add. Okay, even I would say edit as well. So these uh, functionalities is supported for the super admin. Okay, so currently I'm not logged in as a super admin, but I'm logged in as a admin, and I will let you know what admin can does here. Okay, so admin. So admin is the main user who creates trainers, trainees, and courses. Okay, so admin can add, delete, edit trainers. Okay, similar in the similar way, I would say. Uh, Let me copy this. Courses, and add, delete. He can also add, delete, or edit trainees. And admin can also uh, send notifications. Okay, so it will create, edit, save, and broadcast. I would let you know what this broadcast is. Okay, so all these features is supported by the application what admin can do. So let me go to the application. So if you log in as admin here, you can see different modules. Notifications is there here, and I can uh, send notifications. I can create new and send to all the trainees who are registered for any particular course. Is my voice is breaking or it is good? Okay, okay, thank you. So okay, so admin can send notifications from here or from notifications module, and these features will be common. This search thing will be common to each module. We can search based on some keyword and uh, some pre-populated drop-down list like broadcast or live something. Okay, so to send notifications, you have to click this send new notifications, and from where you can choose for which course. So we'll go in detail, but before that let me continue what we are doing. So admin can do these all things about trainees, courses, and trainers notifications. Okay, it's notifications. Okay, now there is another um, user who can log in it in on this Inter app is trainer. So what trainer can does is trainer can create, save, broadcast notifications. So admin will assign any particular course to the trainers. Suppose any trainer is taking one course or two courses, so admin will assign these courses to that particular trainer. Before that, let me mention here, assign courses to trainers and trainees. So this will be done at the time of the creation of any trainer, okay, or trainee. So when you create any trainer, it will ask for which course you are creating this trainer or any trainee. Okay, so trainer can create uh, any notifications. He can send different kind of notifications about the class event or any exercise. He can send through this application. All right. Now there is a notifications module. So we can send different kind of notifications. So different kind of notifications we can send. So this will be a separate module. So only admin or trainer can send notifications. Okay, and we have, if I say, uh, there are different kind of notifications like question, event, uh, about session or something, exercise, I guess. All right. So there is a long list for this thing. So you'll be getting to know this when you log into this application. But I'll not continue this thing. But there are different kind of notifications we have. Okay, here. The last part is trainees. So what trainees can does is trainee when log in, they can view notifications. So currently only this functionality is supported for trainees. They can only view notifications for their courses. So suppose you have registered as a trainee on the Interact and you are registered for the UFT Live project. Okay, so you will get notifications for only UFT Live project. Whenever we send notifications, so we choose to whom we are sending, for which course we are sending this notifications. So course is related to, we have assigned to particular trainees, means if a trainee is there, that should be assigned with one course. So when we send any notifications for any particular course, so trainee will get automatically. Okay, in future, as I said in the last class, in future there will be two-way communication. Even trainees can also send notifications to institutes or trainers, but currently it is not supported. So on a high level, we have these features with Interact, and these functionalities are available right now. Okay, let me see. From Mohan, how he will create save and all. I did not get your question, Mohan. They can hear and view notifications and hand raise. So Mohan, I think this is not go to training, I guess. Actually, this is an Interact application uh, where we uh, send notifications to our listed trainees. So this is a new application which Atomic 77 team is building. So this is interactive application for communication between trainers and trainees and any uh, uh, training institute. Okay. So whatever the requirement we have listed here, let me know if you have any question on this before we start exploring this application. So this will be a useful team when we are going to write test cases. So this will be useful what this application supports. Okay, so that's why I thought to give some high level functional thing, how what this application supports. Okay, I don't see any other question. So I have logged in as a admin. Okay, so admin. So go. We'll come to this notifications part later, but let me go to courses. So here I can search by batch or enter keyword, and this let me write here search functionality is available for each. Okay, each module we have, you can see on each module we have search functionality. You can search using any particular keyword or anything. So if I have to create a new course, I can click this add new course and I can enter some mandatory details here and I can submit. Okay, so when you submit, you can see that course list will be available here. Okay, and you can edit or delete using these three horizontal vertical dots. Okay, so this way how we add any new course or edit or delete any new course using admin rights. Okay, I have logged in as admin. These courses cannot be created by trainers or any trainees. Okay, this should be created by only admin. Now go to trainers. So here this on the trainer modules, the same way you can search by course, you can search by trainer's name. Okay, and if you have to add any new trainer, you can click this add trainer. Okay, and you have to enter all these mandatory fields. Okay, even you can choose icon for this. And here for, as I was saying, we have to map trainers to course. Okay, so here I can suppose Matt, for any particular trainer I can add multiple courses. Okay, so this way I can any single course, or I can map multiple courses with particular trainer, and I can click create. So that particular trainer will be created, and we can see here this trainer name, whatever we have created. So if we go to trainees module, here the same things, search functionality is available with the trainees as well. And to create trainees, we need to click add trainee, and the similar kind of fields we have here as well. Okay, we need to enter all those fields, choose icon if you want, and course you can choose from here. And we need to check this. Okay, check to receive email notifications. So we have to check, then this interrupt will automatically send notifications to these registered members. Okay, so when you register any trainees in this with valid email IDs and name, so it will send a default user ID and password to the particular trainee email ID, so that they can reset their password and they can choose their own password. Okay, in a similar manner you can edit or delete trainees as well from here. Okay, so currently I'm not going to log in as a trainer or trainees, but if you log in as a trainer, you can see uh, courses and notifications there. Okay, if you log in as a trainee, so you can see only notifications and different kind of notifications you can see. So let us go back to this notifications module, and let me click this send new notification. Okay, and I can choose one course, suppose UFT live training I can choose. So I was talking about different kind of notifications we can send from here. Okay, so it can be question, it can be reminder, updates, event, web link, tips. Okay, so different kind of notifications we can send, and different icon we have for these notifications. So suppose I choose this, I can choose multiple uh, notifications types. Okay, and if I say about UFT sessions, suppose something. Okay, and I can say August batch, and I would write test notification. Okay, and if I save this, so it will be available, it will be displayed at the top of the notifications list. So here we can see I have created one notification and I saved it. So see, based on whatever we have selected in that drop down, that notifications type, event, question, reminder, all different kind of icons we can see here. Okay, if I have to send this, it is only saved right now. It has not been sent to the trainees who are registered for this particular training. So if I click broadcast, it will send to the registered trainees who have registered for this UFT live training. It will be sent to those. So I'm not going to send, but if we click, it will send to those registered trainees for this UFT live training course. Okay. If you want to edit, you can just click this edit, and you can edit all those if you want to edit anything in this notification. Okay. You can also delete notifications from here. So let me know if you have any question whatever we have discussed till now. Then we'll move what we have to do as a next task. Team, any question related to this high level requirement what we have discussed and the functionality of this interact application? All right, so I don't see any question. So okay, let me go back to this to-do list. Okay, and what is edit profile? Okay, so this, if you click this, this is the profile, whatever the username, first name, last name you want to choose for this, whatever the user has been logged in, they can edit their profile. Okay, so they can edit their profile, whatever the, but you cannot, once the username has been created and email ID has been created, those things you cannot edit, but your first name, last name, display name, icons you can edit. So this will be available for trainers and trainees as well. Okay. Yes, this will be in the scope, correct. Sorry if I missed. Okay, let me mention here. Edit profile. Okay. So this is the high level requirement, and let me go back to this to-do list, what we have to do. So from the day 2 team, it is day 1 and orientation session, and day 1 I was talking about, and from the day 2 onwards, you people have to uh, talk most in the sessions, because you have to work on these things whatever we have discussed. So from here, the test plan will start working on. Okay, so please confirm your participation for this live project and send to learn and iTeLearn, okay, .com, so that you are interested and you are want to join this live project. So based on your confirmation, we'll add in teams, and we'll try to uh, send the teams notifications to you, and so that you can start interaction with them before day 2, or if not possible before day 3. Okay, so here we have discussed about application test high level requirements. Okay, so team, any questions what we have to do in this live project, and if you have any question. So let me discuss further on these things. So these divide in teams. Each team will have, in between if you have any question you can stop me, you can just ping me on chat. So each team will have, we'll try to 4 to 5 members, or let me 4 to 6 member I can say. Okay, and there will be 4 to 5 teams based on the team members available. Okay, so each team has to work as an individual, and they have to interact with each other. And other teams, suppose you are in a team A and there are team B and C. Okay, so you don't need to bother about what team B is doing. You can, this drive is will be available to everyone. You can see what other teams have placed their documents in this Google folder. But if you want to talk with them, you can talk. There is no restriction, but I would suggest continue with your team. Whatever you have to discuss, have regular meetings as we discussed, and uh, have daily meetings with your team members. Okay, and try to complete the task what has been assigned. All right. uh, where is the schedule? Okay, so this will be I guess here duration. Okay, so schedule is tomorrow is day 2. Okay, so I would say 4th August will be day 2. Okay, and the next session will be announced to you through email. You will get email when will the next session. But on day 2, uh, we'll go through a few other things. Okay, and if you have any questions, let us know. You can send us email. So I was talking about schedule. So day 2 is tomorrow, and based on the what team decides, we will announce the when will the paid sessions will be started. Okay, so duration will be 6 to 8 weeks, but it depends on how team work and how things are completed. So based on that, we'll decide we can complete in 1 month, or it is required any further extents. So we can extend this to 1 or 2 week more. So that's why I have mentioned here 6 to 8 weeks. So who are means join as a first day today, and if you are missed orientation session, let me go through each point. So as we discuss, will be you will be divided in teams. Okay, and the first thing we have to create is we have to write test plan, and template I will provide. So this Google Drive will be shared with you. Okay, who are confirmed participant in this live project. So this will be shared with you, and you have to uh, update that test plan according to your requirement, and what is the requirement we have just discussed here in this high level. Okay, and then we have to start writing test cases. Okay, from the day of uh, 4 onwards of this live project, and the parallelly we have to prepare the environment. Okay, so in environment preparation, we have mostly have to install UFT and download and install on your system. So this is not a big very complex task, but if you need any help, let us know, we can help. But team, one thing is there, if you have already installed any trial version of this UFT on your laptop or on your system, then it will be, and the trial period has been expired, it will be really difficult to uh, reinstall UFT on that machine. So for this, I would suggest use VirtualBox if required. If your system is fresh and you haven't installed any UFT or QTP there, you can go and install directly. Okay, but if you have already installed UFT on your system, and so you cannot reinstall this software. Okay, even after completely erase the things, uninstalling and deleting few key from the registry, it won't work. Okay, so you have to create VirtualBox on your laptop, and if any help required, let me know. I can assist on this thing. Okay, so to download UFT, I can it is easy to download. You can just search on Google, or you can directly go to HP website. Okay, and this will we will decide. Okay, as I said in the last class, we have to decide within the teams. Okay, which so it does not depend on what other team is doing, what kind of framework they are going to create. It has to be decided within the team, and we can decide in either in the live sessions, or offline you can also have a meeting and you can decide. Okay, and this divide modules within the teams. So as we have discussed, there are there are 7 modules which first is out of scope, right? So there are only 6 modules you have to work. So you have to decide modules within the team which on which module who will work. Okay, so that person will be completely responsible for that module, and they have to write test cases, scripts for that, and then at the end we have to integrate all the scripts what we have created. But before writing any kind of script, you should make sure that whatever the template you are using, folder structure, Excel, everything is similar to your other team members. Okay, and as we have discussed, you have to present your task what you have done, and you have to walk through us through that your task, what has been created, what has been written. Okay, so you need to present your task in live sessions, and we'll meet weekly twice, mostly Monday or Thursday, Monday and Thursday, or maybe Tuesday and Friday. Okay, so any question, team? Any question on what we have discussed till now? Okay, so Emmy, yeah, that edit profile is in scope. We have to uh, consider it. Does it work on Windows 10? So I guess latest UFT version, I guess it works, but you need to check. On Windows 8 it works, but I'm not sure about Windows 10. We need to check about UFT latest update. But if you require, I can let me search on this thing, and uh, I can let you know. Mohan, yes, I will provide this URL, and but not now. Okay, because if you have this URL, you need to have login credentials. Okay, so once we get the confirmed participations on these things, we'll share the uh, this URL. URL I can share, but you cannot log in this. Okay, right away. So we will provide means we will register on this application. Okay, whatever the with your name and email IDs, and you will get notification. So you will get user ID and password, and you can log in on this application. Okay, so any other question on this what we have discussed till now? Any question on Teams or schedule? Okay, so I don't see any other question right now. So team, let's meet on day 2, that is tomorrow, and we'll discuss further. Okay, but if you are interested, just send your just send to this email ID, learn@iTeLearn.com, about your participation in this project, so that it will be easy to figure out who are interested, and so that we can include in our team. All right. So that's it for today. It's already late. Many of you. So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss further how we'll work on this live project. Okay. So, but before that, please send email to this email ID. Okay. So that we can get the confirmation about your participation in this project. Karthik, are you there? You want to say something on this? Okay. So if you don't have any further question, team, we can adjourn this session and let's meet tomorrow. We'll discuss further. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining today, and we'll meet tomorrow. Bye for now. But if you have any question, you can always send this email to this email IDs, or if this one as well, learn@iTeLearn.com. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye.